In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default reply behavior in your Gmail account. Whether you want to reply to everyone in a conversation or just the last person who emailed you, adjusting your settings can save you both time and potential mix-ups. It's a simple change, but one that can make your email communication more efficient and smooth. So, let's dive right in and get your Gmail settings just the way you like them. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're there, have a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which serves as the gateway to all your Gmail settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the Quick Settings menu. This is your control center for all things Gmail related. After the Quick Settings menu is open, you'll notice a variety of options. But what we're interested in today is the full settings page. So, click on the See All Settings button, which should be at the top of this menu. This will take you to a new page where the tabs for different settings categories are laid across the top. Look for the General tab, which should be the first one listed. Click on it, and it will open up a broader set of general settings that you can adjust to your preference. Now, without scrolling down too far, keep an eye out for the section labeled Default Reply Behavior. In this section, you'll find two options, Reply and Reply All. By default, Gmail is usually set to Reply, meaning your responses will automatically go to the last person who emailed you. However, if your preference is to reply to every participant in the email thread, you can select Reply All. Choosing the latter means that every time you hit that reply button, it ensures everyone included in the conversation is kept in the loop. After you've made your selection, remember to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This is a crucial step because, without saving your changes, you'll revert back to the default settings the next time you open Gmail. And that's it. You've just customized the default reply behavior in your Gmail. This small tweak can significantly streamline how you handle emails, especially in professional settings or group conversations where keeping everyone in the loop is essential. As always, feel free to revisit these settings and adjust them as your needs change. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.